Good morning, Adeline. How are you this morning? You sure are cute. You sure are cute. Yeah. Can we get all the crusties off you? Yeah? How about here? How about here? No, I think there's more up here. Yeah, right here on your eyebrow. And under your eye. Well, tell me. Tell me more. What else do you want to say? Mommy, don't groom me. I smile when I want to. I do. Yeah. There's a smile. There's a smile. There's a smile. Yeah. Yeah. That's a great thing to tell me. Are you bored? Maybe a little. But I sure am cute. I sure am cute. Yes. Yeah.